okay? My mom did not give me hips. I'm a boxy girl trying on curvy girl clothes, and all I ask for you is to sympathize and don't judge me. But first, let me introduce to you how I get rid of my chest acne and butt pimples, because this is a PSA to my pimple girls. I partnered up with Apostrophe and got a message from my derm provider after I sent some horrendous photos. Please, I know I'm embarrassed to even show you, but just love me. Feel my feelings. Basically, my expert dermatology team that Apostrophe connected me to was like, oh girl, I see you, but it's okay, this is normal. We know exactly what to do. They provided me access to these prescription treatments that would get rid of these crazies thinking they can overrule my body. I got an initial treatment plan crafted by a board-certified dermatologist after access to a virtual consultation that was absolutely personalized for my unique skin, pimply skin. These are derm-approved acne treatments and ingredients, so they're not working around. Plus, it's actually been a while since I've shared a skincare brand with you guys because I've been testing and weeding things out and nothing really lived up to the hype. And honestly, Apostrophe has been the only one that's been showing me real progress in live action. It was really important to me to not just target my acne this time, but also wrinkles. So I've been using this religiously and I took it everywhere I went. I've never committed to any topical treatment for my body acne, and I feel so naive because if I have known that it'd be easy to be taken care of, then why didn't I do it? I had this huge pimple bump on my chest where it hurt, it was irritated, it'll turn red, inflamed, itchy. It even recruits new baby pimples around it whenever it feels like it's too lonely and needs some friends. So it's been really annoying, trust me. 2 weeks and this bump is gonzo. That is the most impressive thing so far on this journey because I've had this for a couple months and I just like thought it'll go away. It was impressive. My chin acne healing as well, as you can see. Like my skin is just so much smoother and glowing from underneath. Seriously, for so long I accepted the idea that my chest acne was just gonna come in and out whenever I wanted to, step all over me, but it doesn't have to be that way using Apostrophe. My butt and the back of my leg acne and scars have lessened a lot as well. These marks have been around for years though, so I know that it's gonna take a little longer to commit to see complete depletion, which I don't fear or doubt because I saw firsthand what it did to my chest acne. Quick, too. I'm not even pressed about it because I literally have the fix in my bathroom. Apostrophe, obviously.
Taking a ride to journey 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들.
It's super convenient to sign up for, and you can, if you want to, use my code heyitsfei. It's in your hand. Who doesn't like to save a coin or two? Because I'm always looking for discount codes, trust me. The link is down below. Finally, let's get into it. Ooh, girl! Thank God my chest acne is gone. It's time to be sexy. I won't take offense to this, but I know I have a very flat, boxy body. There's not a lot to work with, okay? I think sometimes you guys forget that. It's very vulnerable to share my body like this online, but it's completely fine. As we all know, Fashion Nova is known for curvy queens. But if you're short and stout and boxy like me, you have a lot of love to give, I'm gonna give you the most realistic haul, showing you the expectations versus reality. This is the Borrowed Heart mini dress for $46.99. Are you kidding me? I got this in the size medium. It has to fit. Look how stretchy this is. Pretty sure I could do this by myself. I just broke the dress. Oh, that was not me. This claps just flew off Fashion Nova. That was not me, that was y'all. We're just gonna have to zip it up and that's as much as we're going because we got no hook to hook us. So I think this is like the right time to wear shapewear. Let's talk about the top part first. I know it's exciting to look at the rhinestone. Besides looking a little bit like Peppa Pig, the top part of this dress has this scoop neckline. These straps aren't really supportive. They have this flexible emulsion to it, so it just kind of conforms to whatever. These straps crisscross behind, and then you have the zipper and the hook that fell off. The model has these courageous hips that can probably store more than iPhone storage. The reality of most of us girls who don't have that body type, this is how it looks like. Probably not the most flattering or favorable, but realistic and honest. She has such beautiful big hips to illuminate the side, especially this rhinestone moment. I don't have that, and so this doesn't really stand out to me as much as hers. It's still so pretty though. Ooh. Fun and snazzy main character moment. It's missing one of the rhinestone strands, so that's an oopsies, Fashion Nova, especially for like $40+. I have to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of my pooch and my cooch completely out in the open. If you have a thick squishy, this dress type is probably not the most friendly. I just can't get over this. The only thing that's really pushing me to reconsider my choices to keep the dress are the dazzling rhinestones. She's flashy. To each your own. Don't laugh. Okay? Ew. So first, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I have my briefs on, okay? I said that. This is the Want That Goodie cutout romper. It's like I'm getting my blood pressure taken. That's how tight it is on my arm right now. In full force, short stout mode. I guess the underwear is obviously throwing it off. I already feel revealed enough, okay? Can I just have this to myself? I feel like Siri took me down the wrong road. I knew that when it was time to put this on, I was gonna have this internal battle with myself, making me hate myself a little more than usual. But what can you say? I don't have hips like her. Let's start with this upper portion. You have a strap holding onto dear life for your chesty besties. Understandable. Very tight. Squishmallows. My freaking arm. Feels like biker shorts. Can't take myself seriously. Is not it. You don't have to say it aloud. Where are your clothes at? Hey, at least you can really get the itchy parts. This cutout is supposed to accentuate your hips. It's right around the muffin top. It's like hitting a brick wall. Oh my. When you have nothing nice to say, just don't say it. I don't have much to compliment on. I feel like I just went through a paper mache machine. Bootleg version. I no longer have words to serve. Only night I can ever see myself, even considering wearing this out in the public, is on Halloween. What's up? Oh, this is the temptation for leather mini dress. Are you tempted? And as you can see, the model is just gorgeous with these huge hips to just really make this part stand out. I look like a sumo wrestler. We gonna win this. As you can see, the cutout sides are barricaded. This leather just smells like fantastic old fart or runny female fluids. If you know, you know. The less clothes you wear, the more Fashion Nova you are. So it doesn't shock me. What does shock me is how unflattering this is. You cannot pay me $1 million to wear this. I'm sure with the curves and the hips, it could serve. But all I'm really serving right now is spaghetti and meatballs. This alone, just right here, looks like a bathing suit top. Until you realize it's a dress that people actually wear out. At least the straps are honing in onto my back. Like I'm sucking in and it's not doing much. Tie my hands behind my back, take me to jail, I'll still say no. For the price of $37.99, it's enough for me. It took 5 hours to put this dress on. And we still couldn't zip it all the way. This is the type of zipper that's just so hard to maneuver upward. Holy moly. This is the Playful Night Bandage mini dress for like $20, $21. The red looks really good on my skin tone. It is a size medium and I do look chunky from the side like a caterpillar. It has this corset ribbing up in the chesty besties. This has to be the better quality out of all these dresses, so I'm really shocked that it's at a lower price. This dress runs a little shorter, but I think that's because it's scrunching right here in my stomach. The bandaging of this dress really cinches in your hips. This dress is giving me a little bit more shape than my boxy normal self. After a roller coaster of hating myself, I can appreciate this dress. I feel like I don't have to suck it in because this is already doing it for me. Muffin tops are not going anywhere. They want to make themselves known. I feel like you can hear the confidence in my voice. If you're a size 8 to 10 like me, it might be a bit snug. Hence why lots of struggling. But here I go again. I'm gonna keep this dress because I'll lose weight and I'll fit it. I'll keep it when I'm skinny, I'll wear it. I need to do a video of all the clothes that I've kept. When I'm skinny, I'll wear it. My muffin tops are faking that hip. And that's the end of this honest review. A flat girl like me trying on curvy clothes from Fashion Nova. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye.
Even if you try